for so long, and you have it, you know.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. We'll be,
I don't mean you.
no, not me. How you doing? Last night was fun.
Oh my
A
God.
lot of fun.
Last night was like the most fun I remember having in 10 years. It was so fun.
Talk to me about what's going on. We were there, at the party, shooting everything. So how did that feel, celebrating 4 years?
It was remarkable. It was like nothing I would have imagined. It was so fun. It was not only was the party was so beautiful, and I loved how they set it up with the red carpets everywhere. It was so lush, but it was on the Mediterranean with the view of the ocean in the background, and it was so elegant. And the music was great. That cake they did for us was great, and that this was our party for us and for our 40th anniversary to have something that special for our show was we've never had anything so lovely before and so much fun, and we danced until 2 in the morning